The first major sporting event in Canada to require competitors to have their COVID-19 vaccinations. The Calgary Stampede says all of its rodeo participants will need to provide proof of immunization.
Well, it's about providing the safest possible conditions for those competitors, but also for our community.
It was previously announced that Stampede workers and rodeo participants would be exempt from the 14-day travel isolation rule. Currently, the NHL has a border exemption, but no vaccine requirement. The Stampede added that to their proposal to the federal government for competitors to cross the border. The American-based Professional Rodeo Cowboys Association plans to send its competitors north. Their media director only heard of the news Thursday morning when we reached out for comment. They say they don't have one at this time. The news comes at a time when the concept of vaccine cards and passports are being debated amongst legal and ethical experts.
So this is, I think, a huge tension when we're thinking about public health in general, is that often what we're doing is we're limiting individual rights in the interest of the greater good.
She says legally, the only obligation is to accommodate those who can't be vaccinated for medical reasons, not those who simply choose not to.
Calgary Stampede is an invitational rodeo to individual competitors, and then they make a choice. Whether their choice is because they don't want to come up because they're competing at other rodeos, they have family obligations, or potentially, don't want to be vaccinated. That's their choice.
We may actually see this become commonplace among sports teams, just as we've seen it become commonplace that they were requiring participants to undergo testing more often.
Earlier this week, Stampede officials announced they were exploring proof of vaccination or negative test requirements for those attending certain venues. You can scan this code for our website with all the latest Stampede information. Stephanie Lasuk, City News.